lost my sense of smell a long time ago.
Yeah, right. That's not gonna fly.
It doesn't stretch all the way across.
No, because it's not a stretchy blanket.
So you just get one of those.
No, you don't have to. See this right here? It goes like this. It works because he's got his body weight on it.
How do you lift the baby?
Like that. Just make sure you support the head and you got it. Tuck those arms in.
What am I doing wrong?
You want me to teach you?
No.
Because I did mine. Teacher said I got an A.
Let's say your baby's fussy, but you don't have the baby swaddled because I'm feeding the baby and I want the baby awake. All I do is gently take those arms and